Alright, and on to Don Gato. Make sure you add your claps in. When I tap this guitar, you'll be able to hear these taps a little easier with the acoustic guitar. Oh, Senor Don Gato was a cat. On a high red roof Don Gato sat. He went there to read a letter, meow meow meow, where the reading light was better, meow meow meow. 'Twas a love note for Don Gato. I adore you, wrote the lady cat, who was fluffy, white, and nice and fat. There was not a sweeter kitty, meow meow meow, in the country or the city, meow meow meow. And she said she'd wed Don Gato. Oh, Don Gato jumped so happily, he fell off the roof and broke his knee. Broke his ribs and all his whiskers, meow meow meow, and his little solar plexus, meow meow meow. Ay caramba, cried Don Gato. Oh, the doctors all came on the run, just to see if something could be done. And they held a consultation, meow meow meow, about how to save their patient, meow meow meow. How to save Senor Don Gato. But in spite of everything they tried, poor Senor Don Gato up and died. Oh, it wasn't very merry, meow meow meow, going to the cemetery, meow meow meow, for the ending of Don Gato. When the funeral passed the market square, such a smell of fish was in the air. Though his burial was slated, meow meow meow, he became reanimated, meow meow meow. He came back to life, Don Gato. Nice job, everyone. Yay, Don Gato's alright. That's the best part of that song. It's a story song. Alright, hope you had fun.